Hi, my name is Hakim Al-Qadiri. And then I will present you my collection. So let's start by this first product that I want to show you. And this product was launched last month. So it was launched the 22nd of February. So it's an alignment of number 2. And the alignment of number 2 is the number of the piece. Here what we have text which is a rephrase of the human rights. Which is here, so on this picture. And then, so I wanted to have something really talking about the actual situation of the planet. So we have augurs, we have elf, we have something which is going really crazy. And I wanted to have something that reminds kind of the earth of the middle. And
the human rights are the most important rights.
It is, yeah.
And we all should have them, but maybe not everybody have them.
Exact.
Yeah. So it's like, what is the technology you're using for creating is it special watch face technology?
So in fact, if you take this one, so this watch, which is interesting, so you have the blue dial, okay, coming from the black to a dark blue. And so here we have a printing of the text in gold color.
And what more you can say about the face or the technology, the movement and everything?
So the movement, so this watch has la Joux-Perret movement. So with 68 hours power reserve is something which is really, really nice in terms of quality. It's really stable and really, really nice. So what do we have here in terms of design? So you can see the shape of the glass that reminds the hesalite glass from the past. So we have something, so in the past, so they had a plastic glass that was clipped into the case. And then, so that was the reason why we had the two angles on the glass to make it more flexible. But today, this glass is made in sapphire crystal.
And it's scratch resistant?
Of course, yeah. It's 2000 Vickers, so sapphire crystal is one of the most strong material right after that diamond. So you have diamonds, you have sapphire crystal, and after that you have kind of ceramics.
All right. And what more you want to talk about?
So then, okay. So here this product was a relaunch of the product of the past. So the brand was created in 1877 by Mr. Kick in Amsterdam, and then so in kind of the 60s they did flight instruments with Heuer, the brand Heuer. So I can show you also here in my catalog here. So the product that was launched in that period. That was this one, so this was the flight instrument, and the idea was to take back the numbers that we have here. It's the minute track, because in the flight instrument you need to have the minute tracks more than hours, because you have to count from one point to the other one, it's in minutes. And then I took exactly this design and also the numbers here which were in radium. The idea was, okay, here they were burned by the sun, and I took the same design here to make this watch here.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. So taking also, in my collection, so based also in the same shape of watch, we have also this watch which was made in the past by Ulysse Nardin for Elka, and I took it back also to start back also my collection, and I did this one which has exactly the same hands, the same applied index, and the same design.
It's you do very thin designs.
It looks like thin, but it's really not that thin. So everything is based on the shape of the glass. So we have a domed dial, we have a bend hand, and also we have a domed, so the chevet box, sapphire crystal, and everything is built into the sapphire crystal. And then, so the idea was also to work on the shape of the watch, which was at the beginning the design of a pocket watch from the past. So here, so everything is really shaped, and then it looks really thin, but it's in fact 10.8 millimeter thickness.
And what we see under?
Under, so we have the logo Elka.
So, as a famous in the watch industry, your brand?
So in the watch industry, I'm starting. So the brand was launched in 1877 in Amsterdam by Edward Louis Kick from Amsterdam. And then they stopped manufacturing watches in the 60s, late 60s, when the quartz was launched. And I guess most of the brand died at that period. And the idea was to relaunch the brand in 2022 by Kickstarter with these two models, the two last models that I showed. And
so those were on Kickstarter?
Yeah, they were on Kickstarter.
Those two?
No, this one and this one, sorry. This one and this one were the first one that I was designing. So I wanted to do an homage to the old brand with these two pieces.
And people around the world are enjoying these?
So I hope so. I hope so. So the brand is brand new, as I said. So I launched by Kickstarter 2.5 years ago. So then I think now, the brand has also new success because so it has to be known and shown everywhere. And I guess the people like this kind of design, which reminds a bit of the 60s and the 70s pieces.
And what do we see here?
So here we have a watch based on the same design. So let me show you the side of the piece that is really something recognizable, is the type of lug and the shape of the watches. Here, so we have also the same chevet box. I try to keep also the same identity, so keeping the link with the 60s. And so the design of the piece reminds really the first diverse watch that we had in the 60s.
And with the nice movements happening?
The movement is the same, so it's also la Joux-Perret, the G100 with 68 hours power reserve.
All right. Cool. So thank you very much for showing
My pleasure.
what you have. All right.